Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Everyscan app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Everyscan is a mobile document scanning app designed to help users quickly digitize and organize paperwork. It uses your phone's camera to create clean, high-quality scans of receipts, IDs, notes, assignments, or business documents. The app can convert scans into PDFs, automatically detect edges, enhance clarity, and even extract text using OCR. It's available on iOS and Android and supports exporting files to email, cloud drives, or other apps for easy sharing. The app's main feature is its fast scanning interface. You just point your camera, let Everyscan detect the document, and save it instantly. It also helps organize documents into folders, backs up files securely, and offers tools like multi-page scanning, auto-enhance, and text recognition for improved readability. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick processing, clean scan quality, and easy file sharing options. The OCR feature is helpful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs editable text from physical pages. Users also like its simple layout and reliable cloud export tools. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version includes limited scans and watermarks, and advanced features, such as unlimited OCR or higher resolution exports, often require a subscription. Some users report occasional issues with edge detection in low lighting, and scan accuracy may drop with crumpled or glossy documents. In summary, the Everyscan app may be worth using if you need a fast, mobile-friendly way to scan documents, organize files, and convert images into PDFs or text. However, if you work with large volumes of documents or want premium OCR accuracy without paying, you may find the limitations restrictive. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.